Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Just want to follow up on Palantir. 4 days ago, I mentioned Palantir as a stock to watch because it was hanging out in and around its key moving averages, just under the 50-day moving average, but holding up above the 8-day and the 21-day. And anytime we have the regular market like SPY under most of the key moving averages, but we have a stock like Palantir above and near its key moving averages, that's a pretty clear signal of relative strength. And so if you took this idea, it's definitely working. It gave you a sense of strength yesterday when it got above the 50-day moving average, but didn't close above the 50-day moving average. And then today, you were able to use yesterday's low as a level to define your risk off of with a move off of that 50-day. So if you don't have the 50-day moving average on your chart, I definitely recommend putting it on because it is a key moving average where even if you're just doing a quick little day trade in a market like this, you can find buyers stepping in around the 50-day moving average. And we've seen that happen with Palantir all throughout this trend. Anytime the stock came near its 50-day moving average or even got below, buyers stepped in and brought it back up. So if you're in this trade right now, I would definitely consider just protecting your downside in case we do get a move back under that 50-day and a retest of the lows. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you in the next one.